This dude has to raise his daughter all by himself. Since the loss of his wife, Kohei has been raising his young daughter, Sumugi, all on his own. Between the demands of his job as a teacher and his lack of skill in the kitchen, Kohei struggles to give her the fresh, homemade meals he wishes he could. Instead, their dinners are often store-bought or quick convenience food, leaving him feeling guilty that he can't provide better. That all changes when one of his students, Kotori, invites them to her family's restaurant for dinner. On their first visit, Kohei and Sumugi learn that Kotori is often left to eat alone because her mother is away working. Seeing her loneliness, Kohei agrees to bring Sumugi to the restaurant regularly, and together, the three begin cooking meals from scratch. In the process, Kohei slowly learns how to cook, Sumugi gets to experience the joy of family-style meals, and Kotori finds comfort in their company. This heartwarming anime is about food, family, and the small joys that come from sitting down to share a homemade meal together. If you're looking for a feel-good and wholesome show, you should definitely give this one a try. It's called Sweetness and Lightning, and it has 12 episodes that you can watch right now on Hi Anime only in sub. So that's the scoop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and make sure to follow for more daily updates and reviews.